So I start with a picture of my mother. I suppose it's where it all started. And I tried to pitch this talk at her. So she likes reading The Guardian, the newspaper. And every morning, the local corner shop in Manchester, a typical Mancunian day, delivers the paper to my mother. About 6 o'clock in the morning, the paper is delivered by a van. About 7 o'clock in the morning, a paper boy or paper girl takes the newspaper and delivers it to the door. The broker or the corner shop has sorted out which papers go where. So, in terms of my PhD, the publisher is the creator of the content. The subscriber is the consumer of the content. And then the broker is the mechanism that delivers the content from the publisher to the subscriber. I don't deal with physical papers, I deal with digital content, and therefore the internet is the mechanism that we use for delivering content. So, in terms of digital content, we deal with audio files, video files, newspaper articles, and links, text. So I'm going to step into how my PhDs work. Here's a collection of brokers across the internet. So this is a global collection of brokers. Traditionally, or when I started my PhD research, all of the brokers or all of the corner shops in the network of brokers may deal and may deliver all of the content that they receive. So here we see a subscriber interested in blue news. All of the corner shops, all of the brokers may deliver that news. The same for red news, and then the same for green news. So the key concept here is that when the publisher eventually produces and publishes to a broker their news or their digital content, there is no logic in the way in which that news is routed. It passes across the network, across a global chain of interconnected brokers and being delivered. We can see this with the blue news, the same with the green news, and again the same with the red news, and again the same with the green news. So I tried to look at a way in which we could sort of make sense of the data that was passing across the brokers and reduce the distance taken to deliver the piece of content in the first place. So we take the broker network again and we partition the network. We say the left-hand side of the screen deals with blue news, the middle deals with red news, and the right-hand side of the screen deals with green news. Now, logically, subscribers who are interested in blue news connect to a broker or a corner shop that matches their interests. The same happens for subscribers interested in red news, and again, the same happens for subscribers interested in green news. So the key difference in this topology in my PhD is that when the publisher creates the content, there's a lot less corner shops or brokers involved in routing the news from the source to the destination. So here we can see the green news is delivered across 2 brokers, the same for the red news, and again, the same for the blue news. If, however, we have an error in the system, if a subscriber to the blue news connects to the green cluster, we identify that that's an incorrect placement, and we move the subscriber across. The key concept to get across, the key benefit to this research is we deliver news quicker, and we deliver news with less corner shops or less brokers involved in the process. So thank you very much.